this video, you'll learn how to use keywords to find information relevant to your research topic, and you'll also learn some strategies for brainstorming and using keywords to retrieve as much information as possible. What are keywords? Keywords are words and short phrases that describe your research topic. Using keywords in your research is a great way to use everyday language to find authoritative information. So if you're doing research on concussions in college football, your keywords might be college football and concussion. How to use keywords. When you're getting ready to search in a library database, use Google, or search the library catalog, you'll want to make sure that you've brainstormed several keywords related to your research topic. So, if you're doing research on concussions in college football, your keywords might be college football and concussion. But you won't want to use just these keywords. When you're getting ready to search in a library database, use Google, or search the library catalog, you'll want to make sure that you've brainstormed several keywords related to your research topic. For example, other keywords related to concussions are head injury, traumatic brain injury, and head trauma, just to name a few. Once you've brainstormed a list of keywords, you can plug them into the database in any combination that makes sense to you. In this example, I'll search for college football and head trauma. You'll notice that while I received relevant information, I did not find very many articles using this combination of keywords. If I change my search to college football and concussion, you'll see that I find many more articles that are also relevant to my topic. Taking the time to brainstorm several keywords that describe your research topic and then searching them in different combinations in the database is a strong strategy to use when you want to see just how much information a database has on your research topic. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped. To view other library how-to videos, please go to the Murphy Library YouTube channel to see all that we have available. Is there a video you'd like to see us make? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, or email at us at libinstruct@uwlax.edu.